We'll rock you to sleep as we sing you a song or read you stories and you follow along. Hi guys, welcome to Mama's Workout channel.
This is not Mama Workout channel, this is the Delaveaus channel, this is our channel, the family channel. Hi babes, good morning, good morning, good morning, good afternoon and good night. Yes, Stella.
Why we don't have more than one family channel?
We don't have more than one because we have to let this one grow first.
Grow? Why grow mean?
To have lots of subscribers and be consistent and invest in it. Anyways, you'll understand one day. You guys, it's a brand new day. It's breakfast time, more like second breakfast, morning snack. And I'm with my little smoothie buddy. We're having smoothie this morning. I had my green juice before workout. Yes, Stella.
Why do you didn't drink green juice today?
I drank green juice when you were waiting on your porridge, but I didn't give you any because it had a lot of ginger in it. It was too strong for you.
Okay. But
So,
Mama, my plate is still there. My plate is still there.
Yeah, I'm gonna take it up and put it in the fridge
For
for next day.
Like tomorrow.
Tyler woke up this morning and said he wanted
Porridge.
smooth porridge. You see a camera battery on the table?
Yes.
Carrie, come give me, please.
It's about to die.
Said he want porridge for breakfast, so I made him cornmeal porridge this morning.
Where's the guy?
It's okay, don't die yet. And I went to work out. I got a very, very, very good workout in. I realized that when baby's home on a Monday, I need to take big advantage of my Mondays, and I did just that this morning. I went outside and I did some stairs on the steps outside, and I sprint up a hill. I did like 5 sprint up a hill, 1 walk back, and it was amazing. I'm still literally trying to recover from my morning workout session, but it was so good. Worth every bit. Hopefully you guys getting your workout in, and if you want a little extra motivation, go over to Body After Baby. Stop doing that. So make sure you guys go for Body After Baby if you want to follow along workout with me. I need a little extra motivation. That's where you'll find all the happenings on fitness journey and postpartum journey. Yeah, but that's what's going on. Tyler is here sucking out the rest of the smoothie out of his cup. Alright, Tyler, finish now. Ty, it is finished. Go and put down the cup in the sink. Sarah is down for a nap, and Babe is taking lunch break so he can go and work out right now. So he's about to do that, and we are heading on the road. You're gonna work out with Papa?
Yes.
Okay, we're gonna head on the road for our usual fruits and vegetable pickup, fresh goodies on a Monday.
Like that?
And I need to go do a little shoe shopping for Tyler.
Excuse me.
Yes, Stella.
We are going to Grand Free like that. You can buy my blueberry.
You have blueberry in the fridge.
Good. I thought there was none.
You thought they were finished?
Yeah.
No, there's blueberry in the fridge.
We buy 2 packs.
No, 1 pack. Anyway, you guys, if it's your first time to the channel, be sure to subscribe and keep up with the fam bam and turn on your notification bell. That little bell beside the subscribe button, when you click it, you almost guarantee that you'll get your notification 90% of the time. Better than not getting it any at all. So go ahead and do that, and we'll catch you guys throughout the rest of today's vlog with the rest of fam bam. And in my smoothie, I am having blueberries, strawberries,
and
mango, and banana, and almond milk.
Oh wow! So that means I like almond milk.
You like almond milk in smoothie. If I give it to you on your cereal, you won't like it because it don't have any taste. Come on, you're doing good. Come on. Hey, don't play. Keep going. Come on.
2 minutes, 20 seconds.
Next, into it. Come on, let's go. Faster transition. That's it. Good job.
Hannah, sing like that.
Yes, you're doing good, Ty. Come on, babe. Feel that burn. Next, flutter kick, transition. Let's go. Feel it, foot out. Come on. That's it. You're doing good.
My legs up.
Why not? Come, come on. Let's go. No stopping. Let's go, baby.
3 minutes.
We have to sing. Strawberry. Strawberry. But serious. The things that are unfairly your talents, your hobbies, and your wishes too. Quack, quack. Quack, quack. Quack, quack. Quack, quack. Quack, quack. We'll rock you to sleep as we sing you a song or read you stories as you follow along. We'll show you the beautiful of the stars in the sky. Our love will be with you as the years go by. We'll teach you to see.
Run, Sarah, run! Run! Yay! Yay! You playing with brother? Tyler, hide in. Go find Tyler. Find Tyler, princess. Say good morning.
Good morning, guys.
How are you?
I'm feeling tired, but I'm feeling okay.
How was workout?
I feel pain on my legs, so that's stopping me from doing what I want to do. But well, I just have to substitute it with something else. So I'm okay.
You're doing well. I'm proud of you.
I'll try.
Anna, I was reading Sarah's story when he was not here.
That's what Papa told me that he saw you reading earlier. You did good.
Yes.
Very good. You're the sweetest big brother ever. I
Thank
wanna be
you.
just like you when I grow up.
What did you say?
I wanna be just like you when I grow up.
Just like me, but I'm small.
But Mama still wanna be like
You're
you.
pretty, mais tu es gentil.
Oh. But if you want to be like me, you need to be a boy, and you're not a boy.
So that-
Only Papa can be like me.
Ah.
Because he's a boy.
Okay, go. You guys, I'm here making lunch for the hubby and I before we head out in the streets. Ow! I locked myself in the drink, huh? So I'm making a quick salad. And in my salad, I have, who can guess what I have in my salad? I have lettuce, tomatoes, chickpeas, and I'm gonna drizzle a little olive oil on it. And I'm gonna dash some cayenne pepper over it so babe can feel the burn between his tongue. And then throw some smoked salmon over that. Alright guys, here goes lunch. And I'm gonna throw the salmon right over it. Give that a good stir. And voila, lunch is ready. Look at her and the people in play. You guys, we just got back from the
Leclerc, Castle, and Grand Prix.
He's giving you the rundown of all the stuff we made.
Supermarket.
We went to 3 supermarkets,
Yeah.
but we didn't go there for grocery from all 3.
Yes, so we only went for Restaurant Grand Prix and Leclerc at Castle, just some shoes.
You gonna show them your pretty shoes after?
Yes.
Alright.
Frosty.
Supermarket haul. Alright. Fruits and vegetable day. Let's see what's up first. What you gonna tell them in French or English? Okay.
Plastic.
Melon.
Watermelon.
Well. Watermelon. Go over some more.
Pineapple.
Ananas. You little bird. anglais, non, en anglais. Pomme, apple. You have to talk loud so they can hear you.
Tomato.
Tomatoes. Oh.
Oh, it's banana or block banana?
C'est pas banane.
Banana plantain.
Plantain.
Banana plantain.
Oh, I'm gonna buy something new.
What is that
It's
type?
a type of lettuce. Hmm?
What is called?
It's lettuce.
Oh, de la salade. Patate douce.
Patate douce, sweet potato.
Raisin.
Raisin, c'est
Only
great.
for me. Hey. Only for me.
Says who?
Me.
Okay, sir, what's this one? Hey,
Haricot.
green bean.
Concombre.
Cucumber. Ooh.
Céleri.
No, c'est pas celery, ça.
It's what?
It's called scallion in English. What is this in French, honey? Onion vert. No?
Papa,
Grâce au ticket.
tu m'as entendu ce
Le ticket, c'est production française. Oh, you mean the bill? Okay. We don't know what that one is. I'm gonna have to find out.
Avocat.
Avocado. Ooh. Zucchini. C'est quoi en français?
Zucchini.
Non. C'est quoi zucchini en français? Courgette.
Courgette.
Voilà.
Courgette râpée.
Courgette spaghetti.
Courgette râpée.
Spaghetti.
Non, râpée.
Regarde. C'est râpé aussi, mais comme ça, c'est spaghetti.
Mais c'est comme ça qu'on l'appelle en français.
Regarde dans le paquet.
Je sais.
Spaghetti. Courgette. C'est spaghetti parce que comme ça, c'est le spaghetti. Comme ça.
Tu viens de quitter ta niveau.
Ok, continue.
Continue. Céréales.
Cereal.
It's only for me. Everything is only for me.
C'est quoi ça?
Un lapin.
Carrot.
Because you have to eat it carrot. Boom, 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 boom. Oh, une raquette de tennis.
He says a tennis racket is zucchini, but this one is for Sarah.
Oh.
C'est le damier.
Yes.
C'est quoi le damier?
Les chaussures.
Non. Les chaussures dans grand feu? C'est pas vrai.
Donc,
C'est quoi? Ok, a hint. C'est un grand arbre. C'est vert. C'est quoi?
Céleri.
Alright, you guys, those are all the things we got at the fruit and vegetable store. And then we went to the other store to get some shoes for Tyler.
Yes.
Because Tyler is in need of shoes.
Yes, for school.
So shoe one, and all these shoes are on sale. We got them on sale. Original price was €13 and we got it for €9. Let me give you guys a close up. So that's shoe one.
Black and brown.
This is shoe two.
Grey
All of them is
and
€9.
brown.
And this is shoe three.
Number 3. Rouge et noir.
Delaveaus shoe 4. Also got myself some almond milk because I'm out of almond milk. Okay, shoes 4 is in here. And shoes 4 is this
White
one.
and brown.
So that's stylish shoe collection. Before you go and play your game, you need to come and put your shoes in your room.
Which shoes?
All these. Let me cut out these things and you take them to your room. You guys, I'm in the lab, chefing it up. I'm making dinner for Fiambam, for Tyler.
Macaroni and cheese.
Here you have it, macaroni and cheese. And for Babe and I am making spaghetti, zucchini, and shrimp. That looks so good. That's dinner all done. Zucchini, zoodles, shrimp, and Tyler mac and cheese. Done.